What do you think is going to happen when I pull this electric device box off? Watch your eyes. It's stuck. I knew it. I know which breaker it is. Top right, always the same. Whoever wired this place, well, it's dusty. Whoever wired this place 37 years ago was consistent. You've seen this before. Yep. I was starting to pull the plywood up in this room. Whoops, I got dust. And I noticed a nail sticking up through the floor with red glue adhesive on it. I said, wait a second, how'd that get there? I put new beams in the apartment down below by taking down the sheetrock, so it's relatively sturdy. Even though I did not pull up the plywood. Oh, you caught me. Yep, get her done. Now I gotta cut this and take the hallway, and what a mess. Crappy construction. How not to build an apartment building. I think it's time to have some soup for lunch. Oh, Mr. Muggs is here. Pretzels or treats? It's a nice sunny day. Goofed in a couple of places. I forgot to draw a string line. How am I going to fix that floor? Same thing in the back. Oops. Yeah. Insulation, wiring, drill hole. Oh, already a hole drill. Good. Good, good, good. Alright.